Take a moment and pause. Breathe in and feel the air as it moves through you. Breathe out and let go of everything that doesn't belong in this moment. Look around and notice the beauty of nature. The wind moves freely, whispering wisdom without a word. Nature doesn't rush, and yet everything is accomplished. You are allowed to take your time. I am grounded, just like the earth beneath me. I find peace in the quiet beauty of nature. I am rooted, yet strong and soft. The rhythm of nature brings balance to my soul. I flow like water, trusting the path ahead. With every breath, I return to stillness. I rise like the sun, renewed, steady, and full of light. I am connected to something greater, and that connection brings me peace. In nature, I remember who I truly am. Let nature hold you a little longer. Let the stillness remind you you don't have to do anything to be whole. You already are enough, just as you are. Come back to this place anytime you forget. This is where you are connected. This is where you are grounded. And this is where you feel whole.